Sawubona, Chef Makamo lona. University of Pretoria said, Chef, please come through. TuksRes Food Services said, Chef, we are inviting you, and guess what? I've honored the invite. Yeah. So let's get to see how they do it. Let's get to see how they cook. Let's get to see how the chefs here at the university do their thing and get to judge there and there. So who's the judge?
Chef Makamo, the one and the only chef.
Today, because of Chef Makamo, I'm gonna have a delicious meal.
So I'm making fire with the
Hi guys, here. Chef Makamo is here to judge our cooking today. Chef Makamo lo, siyabonga.